Now, I like gold. I bet you like gold too. Would you like some gold? This is your chance to get some gold for absolutely nothing. Free of charge, free of charge. That's right, a pack of the internet famous That's Gold Paydirt could be coming your way. So keep watching this video and I'll show you how you can pick yourself up a free packet with a guaranteed 1/4 to 1/2 gram of gold. I don't even know how much is in here, but it's at least 1/4 gram of gold. Absolutely no strings attached. Well, little strings, but I promise you they won't cost you anything. Keep watching. All right, so those of you who have been watching this channel will know that the That's Gold Paydirt is one of the best value paydirts you can find anywhere on the internet. Andrew does a great job at promoting this fantastic hobby, at really supporting young up-and-coming prospectors and some old up-and-coming prospectors too. And he's renowned for his quality gold, which is challenging and always generous. Anyway, so I thought we'd pan out one of his bags today. This is a 1/4 gram bag. So for this backyard panning experience, we're going to keep the equipment really simple. 1 pan, 1 kitchen strainer, 1 packet of Paydirt, 1 snuffer bottle for all your gold winnings. You can see why I'm going to put this through the strainer. I see some pretty things. All right, so this is the thing about Andrew's Paydirt. When you buy a packet of Paydirt from Andrew, you never know what you're gonna get. Have a look at these. How gorgeous. Panning for gold does not need to be difficult. It doesn't need to be expensive. You don't need fancy equipment. Just a pan, a bit of water in your backyard, and a few basic tools. And the rest is really about practice. How's that for a nice golden smile? And paydirts are a great way to practice, to learn the skills, because we can't always get out on the creek. The weather, our health, all sorts of commitments might stop us from getting out there. But you know what? Opening a packet of Paydirt and finding gold in your backyard still gives you that little spine tingle and reinforces that gold fever. So anyway, I promised earlier in this video that I am giving away some gold for absolutely free. Now I've been taking you down to the creek for about the last 6 months or so, and I've been having a ball making these videos, learning my skills as I go and sharing them with you. I've found lots of genuine support online, people asking questions, people making suggestions. There's always someone with a suggestion on how I can be doing this better. That's fine. Bring them to me. I welcome your suggestions as long as it's constructive criticism. So to be in this gold giveaway, all you have to do is like this video, be a subscriber, and drop a comment in the comment section down below. Now, once I hit 500 subscribers, I will choose a name at random from the commenters on this video, and I'll send you free gold. How good is that? Now, We've got a bit of a problem shipping to the US at the moment, so I'm unfortunately going to have to restrict this to Australian subscribers. Sorry about that. Just for this giveaway, and I hope that'll change in future. Anyway, I'm going to keep cleaning up this gold. Let's see what we've got. Nice bit of black sand in this pay dirt. Always raises the difficulty level a little bit. Takes it from beginner to intermediate. Now find the best way when you get down to this last little bit is just gently move the water equally up both sides of the pan to meet in the middle and softly bring those black sands down. Trying to keep the water flow even. And if the gold starts to slip down a bit, just a few little taps, bring it back. This is the bit where you really need to practice your patience. It's slow going, yeah, it's worth it.